Hey ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my perm rod set. I know I don't do it often, but I like to show you my way. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm just showing you the way I like to do it. Alright, so first off, I like to get started with my hair wash and condition. Go ahead and detangle my curls here. After detangling, I go ahead and blow dry my hair using a low setting. I have my hair all dried. It took a while to do that because my hair is so thick. Alright, next you want to lather your favorite setting lotion on that section of hair that you're working with. So before you put that perm rod in your hair, you want to go ahead and have it lathered. Go ahead and work your way up towards the head tight. Now I use different rods all over my head here. As you can see, I'm pulling on the hair and working it to the top. And then I go ahead and snap that cap inside of the rod. Don't ask me how many rods I have, because I have plenty. I don't know. And I use different sizes as well. So now I'm finished. I have it all over my head now. Next day, I slept with a silk cap on, dried it overnight. I didn't sit under blow dry or anything like that. I just had it dried overnight. So right now I'm taking out my rollers. And as I'm taking out the rollers, I have oil on my hands. So as I'm taking out the rollers, I'm actually oiling it as I'm taking it down. Also, when you roll up your hair, make sure you don't put too much hair on one rod. If you have a lot of hair in that one section, just part it in half and just make it 2 rods, because you want your curl to come out more defined. And ladies, if you want to sit underneath a hair blow dryer, you can, but I just decided not to. I just wanted to dry overnight. Also, I decided to do a side part on my left. I usually have my side part on this side. Up to you, however you want to do it. Getting close, got one more. I'm just showing you the back of my hair. So it's all different sizes because I use different size rods. That's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. I usually use the smaller rods in the front, the bigger ones in the back. Now I'm just separating the curls, and I went ahead and put some more oil on my hair, just a little bit more, just to keep my hair looking nice and shiny. Just fluff it the way you would like. Now the more you separate your curl, the bigger the volume. So you don't want your hair to get big and frizzy so fast. Don't separate it as much. But I think each curl I just separated it once. Twist one of the curls on the side and just pinned it back with a bobby pin, and now I'm putting the edge gel on there. Alright, thank you guys. That's the finished look. Please like and subscribe.